Want to copy any website link with just one click? I'll show you the Chrome shortcut most people don't know exists. This makes sharing links incredibly fast and efficient. Let's get started. First, open a new tab in Chrome. Look at the bottom right corner where it says Customize Chrome and click on it. This opens Chrome's customization panel where you can modify your browser's appearance and functionality. Once you're in the customization menu, scroll down until you find the toolbar option and click it. Now scroll through the available toolbar options until you see Copy Link with a toggle switch next to it. Simply click the toggle to turn it on. Now you'll notice a new icon has appeared in the top right corner of your browser, next to the address bar. Close the customization panel. So, navigate to any website, and when you want to copy that page's URL, just click the Copy Link icon. The link is instantly copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere, in emails, documents, messages, or even a new tab. No more right-clicking or highlighting the address bar. That's it. You've just made copying URLs in Chrome much faster. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Chrome tips.